Hey everybody, I got a new Kindle Fire for 50 bucks on Amazon, and I've never used a Kindle before, and I noticed there's a problem. If you go to your control buttons, they're all in Chinese. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I can't use Chinese. So if you have the same problem, what you want to do is go to this settings feature here, the little wheel. Now, you want to look for a little world icon. Here we go. Now, the very first two Chinese symbols up here, you want to press those two at the top. Now, it's kind of hard to see, but you want to scroll here and look for English. Oop. English United States. Well, for me anyway. Oh, continue. Well, I think we're okay. That's about it, guys. Hope this helps. We're good to go.